Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So I have two new words for you. The first being requite and the second being impasse. So what does requite mean? It means an act of repaying or making a return or choosing to return a favor. What could be an example for it? I thought of a situation where I chose to requite my mom for dinner by presenting her with a bouquet of flowers. The next word for the day is impasse. It means a situation which is standstill or you see a dead end or a deadlock. An example could be when you're driving and you reach a dead end. It can be called an impasse. Thank you for coming back and viewing our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and come back tomorrow for new words. Bye guys.